In this video, we will understand how to edit a service. To access services screen, log in to SuperAdmin, navigate to Master Services. Here, from the list of services, you can select any of the services for editing purpose. Let's say I click on alteration. Now here, because this service has not been used yet, it means I have not created any order ticket for alteration service. I can modify it. I can change it to the laundry. I can change the name, service code. I can change the icon. I can make it primary, top up. I can mark it inactive, or I can delete it. Anything is possible till the time a service has not been used in an order. However, if we have used the service, I have used the dry cleaning services in an order. Now I cannot change the service code. I cannot make it or convert it into a top up or change the service type from dry cleaning to laundry or laundry to dry cleaning. I can still change the service name or the label. I can still change the icon. I can delete an icon and I can choose another icon maybe. And I can mark it inactive. However, I cannot delete a service. So in a summary, you can change anything in a service or edit anything related to a service till the time a service is not used. Once it is used, you can only change the icon or maybe mark it inactive. Thank you. I hope it helps.